Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a pack with me style video, and we are going to be packing my travel makeup bag because I'm going to New Zealand. I am so excited. The trip is booked and I'm going, so we gotta pack the makeup. I'm going to be using the same bag that I used in my last pack with me video. This is just like my go-to traveling makeup bag wherever I'm going because I feel like I can fit everything in it and it doesn't take up too much room. And I did get this from TJ Maxx. It just says ooh la la with some kisses on it, and I like it because it has 3 separate compartments there, a zipper compartment, and then it's really wide. You can fit a lot in it, and then it also has a zipper on the back. So starting off, I like to pack my makeup in the order that I normally put it on my face because then I feel like I won't forget anything. So starting off with primers, I'm going to pack my POREfessional primer by Benefit because this is my go-to and it doesn't take up a lot of room and it does a good job. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to bring my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the Pro Filter one. I'm obsessed with this. It wears so well. It looks beautiful on the skin, so that one has to come with me. Then I'm also just going to throw in a concealer, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair, just because I have been breaking out recently and in case I need to just conceal something. I also don't know how much makeup I'm going to be wearing over there because we are going to be outside and doing stuff like that, so if I don't want to spend a lot of time doing my makeup, I might just conceal a little bit and head out the door. Then I'm also going to throw in my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to highlight my face. This stuff is amazing. Then after highlighting, I like to set my face. So I'm going to pack my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I wish this wasn't in like such a bulky container and I don't really have anything to put it in. It just takes up a lot of room when you're packing makeup, so I wish it wasn't so bulky, but we'll throw that in there. And then I usually do the rest of my face. So for contouring, I'm just going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I haven't really been into like super contouring, just more so bronzing, and like this is what I use today. It's a really nice bronzer, so I'm just going to throw that in. Then for blush, I'm struggling to decide what to do because these last couple weeks I've been experimenting with very like simple makeup looks because since I am traveling internationally and this is coming a long ways with me, I don't want it to be like super heavy and packed full. So I've been playing around with makeup looks, but I can't find a blush that I can commit to just taking one. So I thought about bringing my Morphe 9N palette because I have all of these to choose from, but I don't know if that's going to take up too much room. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and pack my Luminoso blush from Milani because I'm going to try to pack light. Try. So then for highlighter, I'm just going to bring one, and it's not even a question. It's going to be my Dose of Colors Fuego, and look at, I hit pan. I'm so sad. That happened like 2 days ago. So you know I love this little guy. That has to come with. Then moving on to brows. I'm going to bring my Anastasia Brow Wiz because it's so convenient. It has the spoolie, everything, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. I'm also going to pack my clear brow gel so that I can set those. And then I move on to my eyes. So I'm going to prime with my Stay Don't Stray by Benefit. I have to use this when I do my makeup. I just feel like I can't do my makeup without it. Then for shadows, this is where it's tricky again because I'm used to using like my big Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I would bring that because I feel like it has every color that I need. But again, I'm trying to pack light and smart, so I think I want to try to just pack this little Z palette full of shadows. So I condensed them down to 7. This is MAC Nylon. These are all Makeup Geek, and then this one is Urban Decay Naked. I feel like it's just going to be easier to have it all in one little palette like this. But I do also want to bring like a shimmery color. I'm throwing in this Super Shock shadow by ColourPop in the color I Heart This. Just a really pretty sparkly shadow. And then I also think I might throw in this Naked Basics palette just because it has some more matte colors. It does not take up a lot of space. So I'm going to throw it in there for now. I might take it out. We'll see. Moving on, I'm also going to throw in a liner. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liquid Liner in the color Trooper. And then I'm going to get my lashes filled right before I leave. So I'm not going to really have to worry about mascara besides the bottom lashes. So I'm just throwing in this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara for the bottom lashes. And then I've also recently been obsessed with lining my waterline with this white jumbo pencil by NYX. So I feel like I'm going to have to put this in there because I'm getting used to what my eyes look like with it and I just really like it. So that's going in. So for my setting spray, I'm not going to take anything like crazy. I do want to take some MAC Fix Plus, but I don't want to take this big bottle. So this was actually empty, so I just poured a little bit of this in here so it's a little more easy to travel with and it doesn't take up as much room. Then for lips, I'm going to be taking only 2 lip colors. The first one I'm bringing is this one by MAC, and it is Blankety. It's just a really pretty pinky nude. And then I'm also just taking 1 liquid lipstick, and this is the color Stone by Dose of Colors. This is another one of my go-to. So I'm only packing the 2 of those. Then I think that's it for my makeup. I am going to have to take the liquids and put them in a little baggie for flying, but otherwise, that is everything. It all fits perfectly in here. I know it looks kind of jumbled right now because I'm holding it at an angle, but it works really well with those compartments on the side. Everything just fits well, and then I have a ton of room. I could bring more. Like I said, I was debating bringing this Morphe palette, but I think I'll be fine with what I have. I like the feel of it right now. It doesn't feel super heavy, and that was my plan, was to try to condense and travel light. So that is what I'm going with for now. I'm going to pack my brushes in a separate container, and that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, as well as subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!